this is going dead.
Yeah, this is really, they've really muscled up both these sides. We see this. Oh, it's fat. And Michael Ennis, the pest, says, get that India. They're swarming at the moment, the Broncos. And I can tell you now, Sam Thaiday hitting the ball up. These next couple of hit-ups are going to be tough yards for the Broncos because I think the Storm want a return serve, and here we go.
So the Broncos swarming in. Punches are going left, right and centre now. The Broncos, their patience has run out. They've complained, they've protested. Now they try to deal out some of their own justice. Or justice in their eyes. Quelled fairly quickly.
Fair to say some of this has been building over the entirety of the season. A lot of coaches and players angry with the way the Storm wrestle in the tackle, attack the head. This is the incident.
Is that the chicken? Is that the chicken?
Cameron Smith's around the head. Jeremy Smith's around the arm. And fair to say that's almost a double whammy, and the Broncos players, they are just not happy at all.
Well, the Broncos players have decided they're going to take it into their own hands. Let's have a listen to the touch judges and the referee here. This will be telling.
The penalty's going against you, okay, for the initial contact around the head. If I see any more, okay, I want you to go back and tell your team, any more around the head or neck area, okay, blokes may sit down, okay?
Is that first contact?
Yeah, and second contact, okay, don't go to the head.
All right, mate, that's sweet.
Well, there we go. Still plenty of fire in this contest. The Broncos come up with a penalty.
Who is going to take this first run?
I was going to say, Benny, who's going to be the brave soul to take, as they say, the hard yards, and they will be.
Well, they'll probably have the number of a prop forward on him.
Send the winger in.
I don't think that'll be happening. Here comes one. Here comes Ben Emmett. He's the man. There's the sacrificial lamb.